This is a video on how to program the Sanwa M17 4-channel radio, how to program the channel 3 and use it as a toggle switch. Programming it, I will be using a 4-channel receiver, and we're using channel 3, which is aux1. I'll be putting a receiver on this channel. I'll be putting it on channel 3. And the servo horn will be on the middle. Now it's on. This is assuming that you already binded the receiver. So now we'll be entering the settings menu, the system menu. We'll go to the settings. We'll press on this middle of the slide bar, and we will go to system. Slide it until you highlight the system button, and then go to key assign. That's not focusing. Okay, so key assign, choose that, and then I'll be using switch 1, which is underneath here. This is this one beside the trigger, throttle trigger. That's switch 1. And up here, this is switch 2, and this is switch 3. So those are the switches that you can use to make it as a on-off switch or a toggle switch. So what we wanted to do now is do a toggle switch, so it will be making the servo or the hand servo horn to stay on to go to switching it from one position to another position, holding that position. So I'll be using switch 1, which is down there. I'll be choosing this one on switch 1, highlight that, then press, and then when it's highlighted, drop it down. So the function, you want it to be on aux1 and step. Then you go here, make sure that the mode is on toggle. You can change it to push or toggle. Push is like it's like a return switch. So when you push it and you let go of the switch, it will go back again to that original position. But now we're going for a toggle switch. So now we chose that, and now press back and back again. Now we go to the AUX or the auxiliary menu. We go at that, and then choose auxiliary 1, aux1, hit enter, and then you can now highlight it and then adjust which way you want the horn to be positioning to. So on 0, it's on 0. I'll show you the servo. So when I turn on high, it goes in that way, and then on the other way. So it depends on which position you want the maximum throw of the servo to be at. Then when you go and you chose already which direction you want it, this will go back, and then switch on the switch that you have chosen, and you will see it goes from the original position, which is center, and I'll go to that position which you already chosen on that menu on auxiliary 1. So you can make it to go to the other way just by adjusting again with the dial, or you can use also the slider here. It's more easier to do the dial here at the side. and you will see that the servo is changing its position. So you can go for the high or the low. And also you can adjust more the travel. So we chose low, and you can go to settings, choose with the back and enter key to scroll down. You'll see here we're setting steering A1, A2, so go for A1, then slide down and go to base, which is the travel. So we chose low, so we can add more adjustment on that. You will see that the arms are slowly moving, and put it on its maximum position up to 150%. So when you switch it, so that's how it is now. And just go back, and that's it.